So before we are going to implement the dependency inversion principle, let's try to understand this program and then what is the problem in this program, so that we can resolve the problem by using the dependency inversion principle. So this program I have taken under the without DIP file. So this is under the D folder. So here you are seeing that DIP folder. Inside of that I have taken the without DIP file. So in this file I have taken this program. Now in this program I am having the two classes here: kitchen service class, external kitchen service class. Again I'm having the one more class, that is the order handler class. And assume that this kitchen service and external kitchen service, which are implementing the actual implementation about the prepare the orders, so that I can say kitchen service and external kitchen service both are the low level modules. I mean, so some work is going on in the service, so that's why I said this is the low level modules. So what is the low level module? So if you are implementing the any service which contains the actual implementation, then we will say those services, we will say that low level modules. So as of now, these two are the low level modules. So first kitchen service, here I am taking the prepare order. This is printing the one small message that preparing the order in the main kitchen, and this is for morning orders. So if any customer order the some item related to the food, so we are preparing that related food related activities under this kitchen service. In case if the customer who is giving the orders at night time, okay, so then we will night times, so then we will implement the kitchen service related low level module we are depending upon here. Okay, so if you observe, both the kitchen service implementing the orders only, but the thing is that based on the situation, in case of morning order, then we are using this kitchen service. In case of nighttime order, then we are using this kitchen service. That's it. Okay, now come to the order handler class. This is the high level module, I can say. Why means, under this order handler, I am using the low level module because of I need to communicate it to the prepare order of the kitchen service as well as the external kitchen service. So as of now, what is going on in the sense, in the order handler, let's assume that this is the high level module, which is having the two methods. One is the taking order, take order. One is the take nighttime order. Okay. Um, if you see the take order, this giving the this method I am communicating whenever customer is ordering to the food at the morning time, and this method I am communicating whenever customer is ordering the food at night time. Okay, so I am having the two different methods which are handling to the different things. Okay, so now let's assume to the take order. Okay, so now if you come to this step, line number 51, as of now I am taking the kitchen service. Okay, so low level module I am taking. Actually, dependency inversion principle, based on that principle, we should not depend upon the low level module here. But let's try that. I am depending upon this low level module. So then we can understand what is the disadvantage about this code. So what is the main disadvantage of this code, in the sense, whenever I'm depending upon the low level module here. So let's assume that if the customer is ordering the morning time, that's okay, no issue. So this order handler is completely communicating to this method. Okay, that is the take order. That will be okay. That's okay, no problem. So this whatever you have the kitchen service, okay, this completely for taking the orders for the morning time. That okay, no issue. Okay, so if you see here also, that's okay, no issue. But at the same time, if the customer is ordered to the food at night time, so here whatever we are using the low level module, that is the kitchen service, it cannot take the order for the night times, right? So if you see here this example here, take nighttime orders, I am using this kitchen service, right? But the problem is that this kitchen service is completely on the morning time, not the night time, right? I can't use this kitchen service under the take nighttime orders, because in this code I have to do that, because I don't have any option. I should use this kitchen service. But the problem is, if I'm going to use this service, there is a problem whenever I'm communicating to the food for the nighttime orders. That is the main problem over here. Okay, so to avoid this issue, as of now, let me comment this code. Okay, so let me comment this code. Now let me take the again external kitchen service. Okay, external kitchen service, in this program we know that which is handling to the nighttime orders, right? So I have taken this code. Okay, so now what will be happen, so whenever I'm taking the external kitchen service, this service, yes, now I can take the orders of the night time. But again, what if the customer is order the food at the morning time? Again, one more, again I have to comment this code, again I have to use this code, right? So actually this is the problem. What is the problem? Your depend, so this high level module is depend upon the low level modules. So based on the situation, you can't change the code again and again, right? So for example, if you try to use these two modules in this program, again you are having the issue. So for example, as of now there is two modules, I mean two services. What if in case if I'm having the 10 services? So you cannot use all low level modules under this high level module, so maintenance is the problem. So even if you are maintaining the way you are maintaining the code, that is the problem. And in case in the future, if you want to switch the different implementations, so if I wanted to go to the kitchen service to the external kitchen service, external kitchen service to the kitchen service, switching the implementations, that is also main problem. Now we clearly understand, right? So in case if you are going to depend upon the high level module into the low level module, that will be very complicated here. So even if you try to take the kitchen service here, we can trigger the prepare food, but the problem is that maintaining the your code under this high level module, that will be very headache, and that is that's not the recommended. Okay, so here high level module should not be depend upon the low level module, as well as the low level module should not be depend upon the high level module. Both the things should be depends upon the abstractions. So we will implement the dependency inversion principle by taking the abstractions into the next session, so that you can understand dependency inversion principle, as well as we will resolve this issue as well.